Hey everybody, Mountain Grandma here. I wanted to do a quick video because I figured out what I'm going to do for my Christmas gifts that I'm going to put together. I don't know if you all saw my chai tea, mixed dry instant chai tea recipe. If not, go check that video out. I'm going to create some gift sets with the chai tea, and then I'm making an instant hot cocoa mix. And the one that I use is a little different than a lot of them that you might see, and it's not my recipe. It came from Taste of Home magazine, so you know it's good. And these two mixes are going to be great together as a nice gift. And if you're looking for even a third, go check out Blue Feather Homestead. She did an instant Russian tea. So kind of like what I'm doing also, but yet another instant drink. So the choices are just wonderful for gifting. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna try to just do this, make this a quick little video to share with you guys this instant hot cocoa. Okay, so here's what we're going to be using. 2 3/4 cup dry milk, 2 cups of non-dairy creamer, 1 cup powdered sugar, 3/4 cup cocoa, 1 package instant chocolate pudding, a half a cup of mini chocolate chips, and if you want to, you could put in a cup of miniature marshmallows. I wished I had some of them little tiny dry ones. That would be awesome. I don't, so I'm skipping the marshmallows. I'll add them when it's in my cup. So I am going to be doubling this. So for the dry milk, I'm going to need 2 3/4 cups twice. So there's the 2 cups twice, and then 3/4 cups twice is a 1.5 cups. So there's the 1. And there's a, holy smokes, I hope this all fits in there. Alright, and then I need 4 cups of the coffee creamer. One, 2, 3. Oh, I'm going to have to get creative here. Hang on. Okay, this is going to be interesting because I'm going to be having a half a cup of vanilla in here too. That might be interesting. You know, if you could even find, a peppermint powdered creamer, you could make like a peppermint hot cocoa. That'd be awesome. Alright, and then 2 cups of powdered sugar. Get this guy out of my way. Alright. Well, 1 cup, but I'm doubling it. Okay. Getting my bowl to help me here. Okay, there's 1 cup. Woo, goodness. And there's 2 cups. Alright, and then I need 3/4 of a cup of cocoa. I'm going to do it twice, so I need 1.5 cups of that. And I'm going to clean my things real quick so I don't leave white residue in my cocoa. Hold on. Alright. 1.5 cups. I think I'm just going to use this guy. Okay, there's a half a cup. 1 cup. Okay, 1.5 cups. Alright, next up, it calls for 1 package of instant chocolate pudding. So I'm going to use 2 packages. Use a big bowl. This thing is pretty darn full. Almost wishing it was even a little bigger still. Can you imagine hot cocoa with chocolate pudding in it? Alright, there's our 2 packages of instant chocolate pudding. I'm going to mix this up first because it's going to take a lot of mixing, and the last thing I'm going to add is those chocolate chips, and I just don't want them to be beat to death like I'm apparently going to have to do the rest of this. So let me mix this up. This isn't this isn't going to be real clean. I'm already seeing myself making a big old mess. And then I'll come back and we'll add the chips in last. Okay, as you can see, I got this all mixed up really good. You can't see any, oh, look at this. Oh, I had it mixed up good. Hold on. One thing nice about a see-through bowl, I can look from the bottom too. Oh, I found my spot. Maybe here. All right. So got that. Now I'm going to add in a cup of these little bitty baby old tiny chocolate chips. Aren't they cute? I'm going to add those in, kind of stir around, add some more in. I know they're just going to want to go to the bottom and stuff settles. Wished I had those little bitty baby marshmallows. That would be so fun. I might just put some of these in the jar as I'm doing it too. Maybe give a little bit of that layered effect or something. All right, there that is. Let's get these put in some jars. Okay, here we go. There. Got a little ribbon of chocolate in it. That's kind of nice. All right, so there we go, our hot cocoa. And if you can see this, this is the chai tea. So these will be, I'll be giving these together as a gift. So like 2 little instant hot drinks. It'll be awesome. Thank you everybody for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this video. And I hope you share with me, what are you all gifting? If you could share, put in hashtag Christmas gifting. And let's do this as a collab. It'll be super fun to see how everybody else is getting their gifts together and what y'all are creating to share with your friends and family. Hashtag Christmas gifting. And I will create a playlist for that. Just let me know that you've done it and I'll add you to my playlist. Thanks everyone. See you next time.